Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajni Mehto and we are discussing important questions related to CUET 2025 English language. So let's start. Question number 10. Question number 10. The reason Janet came dressed as Lady Gaga was because she had been told it was a costume party. So over here we are talking in simple past tense. So we will say she was told it was a costume party. So we'll use simple past tense here. Simple past tense. So error is in B part. Question number 11. The path to the famous church passes through a forest. So in this part, no error. Question number 12. A first European sailor who came to India was Vasco da Gama. So over here, the first European sailor. Okay, because it is a specific noun, so we'll use the over here. Question number 13. The book being written in simple language is suitable for children as it contains many good advices. Okay, so advices में S नहीं आएगा because advice is an uncountable noun. अनकाउंटेबल है सो इसका कोई प्लूरल फॉर्म नहीं होता है. सो विल सिंपली से गुड एडवाइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. You are the man who have spoiled it. Okay, so over here man is singular. So singular noun के साथ हम singular verb यूज करेंगे has. So you are this man who has spoiled it. Okay. Question number 15. Every day new inventions is make. Okay. So inventions यहाँ पे plural है. So are made is the right usage. Okay. Question number 16. Considering the gravity of the problems, an early reply has expected. So this sentence is in simple present tense. So an early reply is expected is the right usage. Question number 17. The statements has the larger circulation. Okay, so we are using superlative degree over here. Largest circulation is the right usage. Question number 18. I am very anxious to know how are you and mother are doing. Okay, so this are is unnecessary over here, not required. So error is in C part. So I am very anxious to know how you and mother are doing. How you and mother doing. Question number 19. All works of creative writing have aesthetics appeal. So यहाँ पे S का यूसेज नहीं होगा. We'll simply say aesthetic because aesthetic is an adjective concerned with beauty and art. Beauty and art. Aesthetics एक study भी होती है that deals with the principle of beauty and art. तो उसमें हम S का usage करेंगे. इस sentence में S नहीं होगा. Question number 20. I and my wife were declared the best couple at the party. Okay, so यहाँ पे I and my wife की जगह क्या होगा? My wife and I. अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पर्सन्स कैसे होता है? अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पर्सन 2, 3, 1. That is second person, third person and then first person. So hence my wife and I should be used. Okay, so my wife and I author said during the press conference that there were 2 further volumes to be published. Okay, so instead of to farther, to further. Further is additional, 2 more volumes are there. Farther we use for distance. Question number 22. He was not able to concentrate because of the continual music being played next door. So over here, instead of continual, what we'll say? We'll say continuous. Continual is repeated many times in a way that is annoying. Continuous is something happening. Continuous. Something happening or existing for a period of time without interruption. So error is in B part. Stay tuned for more videos.